Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix WSL register distribution failed with error 0x80370102 enable the virtual machine platform. Type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type WSL space, --set -default -version space 1 space, colon D. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.